With the addition of ClickUp's email ClickApp, we are continuing to deliver on our promise to be the one app to replace them all. While our power users are already taking advantage of ClickUp's email integrations, which allow you to create and comment on tasks through email, with the email ClickApp, we're taking it one giant step further. You can now send and receive email directly within ClickUp tasks from any email account, bringing even more of your communications into a single tool. Let's start by integrating your email account. Then, we'll walk through the powerful functionality the email ClickApp brings to ClickUp. The email ClickApp is defaulted to on at the workspace level, so you won't need to activate it yourself. However, you will want to go to your Workspace ClickApp settings to choose to enable or disable threaded replies. This setting affects how emails will display within your tasks. We'll show you what that looks like momentarily. You can also select which spaces you want to apply the email ClickApp to right here. Now that you have the email ClickApp customized to your needs, you can integrate your email account. To do this, go into a task that you want to send an email from. Next to the comment button, you can toggle to email. With email selected, click the settings wheel and begin following the steps to integrate your email. ClickUp integrates with Gmail, Outlook, and Office 365, or you can enter your custom IMAP server details to integrate another type of email account. Within the email settings, you can also set up custom email signatures, as well as email templates within ClickUp. Once complete, you're ready to start sending and receiving emails directly within ClickUp. Make sure the comment button is toggled to email, then start composing an email just like you normally would. Attachments can be added just like you would in a regular email. And if you like emojis, we've got those here too. When your email's looking good, hit send and your email is off to its recipient. When your email recipient replies to this email, you'll see it in this ClickUp task. Because we selected the option to enable threaded email replies when turning on the email ClickApp, the email reply will show up similarly to how a comment reply would show up, in a thread attached to the original email. If you choose not to enable this feature, the email response will show up similarly to a new comment in the task, and will look like this. If you want to reply to any of these emails with a follow-up email, you can do that all without leaving ClickUp. Simply navigate to the in-feed text box to compose your email reply. You will have the option to send back an email, or switch your message to be a ClickUp comment. For this one, we'll send back a thank you email. Then we can add a comment directly in feed, notifying any relevant team members of the updates from this chain. ClickUp comments made within an email chain are only visible within ClickUp and are not sent out as an email, and email chain recipients will not be notified. With ClickUp's email ClickApp, you can finally seamlessly integrate your email correspondence into your project management system and keep all your conversations directly where the work is happening. If you have any questions about the email ClickApp, just let us know at help@clickup.com.